What up, Chef? Hey, so for the past 5 years, I've been asked to speak at this wedding conference in regards to catering. And I always turn it down because I want to go to the conference and receive. But 2 years ago, I kind of got inspired to say, you know what? I do need to be able to do something to give back. As we continue and we move up in business and in life, we always need somebody to reach back and put that hand backwards to help pull somebody else up. And so that's what I did. 2 years ago, I started putting together this program that I believe will help anybody in catering. Any person, regardless of where you are in your catering career, just starting, or you're grossing $1 million and you want to make $2 million. Anybody to be able to help you get to the next level. It took me about 1.5 years to actually put it all together. Not only are there plenty of videos to give you instructions about everything on specifically how to make money with your catering business, but there is curriculum. There is homework assignments that is available for you to be able to help you. When I got done with everything and I finally looked at it and I went over and edited it, I went through everything myself and just to make sure that I had the best possible option and package to give someone. I looked and I was like, yo, this is worth $4,000. As much time and effort as I put into this, I need to be charging $4,000 or $5,000 for this. But I seen this program that's called School. School is a monthly membership that you can go on and be a part of this platform to be able to not only listen to my ideas that I know that will help you, but to be able to feed and share out for other professionals in the industry. So I invite you, come on down, check it out. Spend $39 for your business. Take a second and go through the courses, listen to the weekly live sessions. If you hate it, hey, the very worst that happens is you got a whole bunch of dope information that's going to be able to help you succeed, and then you only stayed for a month. So I encourage you to find some kind of way to gather up $39 and come on in to the School community and listen to the live weekly sessions, ask me questions directly, and I promise you I will help you grow your catering business to levels that you didn't think you could. And if you don't feel like you got $39 worth of value, I will cash app you your $39 back. How about that?